If you have a dead or a flickering LED strip like this one right here, that can be due to one of these three reasons: weak connection, manufacturing defects, or improper handling that may have caused physical damage. Now you can get approximately 6 years of continuous use of these LED strips if you maintain them properly, but after a couple of years you just have to replace them. For LED strip installation you need just a few basic things. Of course, you need LED strip rolls. You can buy them in many different variants. I'm gonna use just a white one, but if you want, you can buy the ones that have almost 100 different colors on them. When I plug it in, you see, it's like freaking Las Vegas right here, so you can have that. And the great part is that you can cut these LED strips to the length that you need. You can cut them every 5 to 10 centimeters. You also need this low voltage cable, and because these LED lights work on 12 volts DC power grid, you also need one power supply that takes my power grid of 220 volts AC down to 12 volts DC. Let's connect everything just to see how simple it is. Right here on this power supply we have line and neutral. To these 2 points we are going to connect this power cable. So this power cable has red and blue. It also has this black one, but we don't need it, we can ignore it for the moment. Line is always this red one, neutral is the blue one. So these two we need to connect to the line and neutral on this power supply. Now for the LED part, the red wire is plus, red and black is minus. So basically these two wires we are going to connect to these two connectors right here. We have minus V and plus V, and we are going to connect it right here. Once everything is connected like this, just take your power cable, plug it in, and you have a light. Now I would recommend to connect this power cable to a plug that is controlled by a switch, so when you turn off the switch or turn on the switch, as you can see like this, so you can turn on and off your LED lights. Beautiful. And of course here comes the hard part, we need to mount everything. Good luck with that. We will also drill one hole right here, so it will be easier for our LED string to come through. I have this angled channel right here, so I will just take a couple of the screws and screw this angled channel right here on the bottom of my cabinet. Good thing when you do everything with the screwdriver is that you always get a good workout in. I could use a drill machine now. Now I will mount this converter right here on these two holes, so that this power will be very close to this power source right here. And here we have one hole where we will insert LED lights from the bottom. Perfect, this is very stable right here. This power unit will get heated over time. Not too much, just a little bit. It won't damage this wood, but just to be sure, I will glue this cable here to this wood, because I don't want this cable to be touching here on this metal, because if this metal is hot, then maybe the cable will also get hot and we have a possible danger of electric hazard, and that is something that we don't want to have in our kitchen, right? So this is the final result. As you can see, it's very fixed on the wall. I did double layer of this isolating tape just to make sure that this cable is totally fixed. And now only thing left to do is to guide this LED string right here through this new channel that I have made. Now this is the easy part of this whole project. Everything else was torture. And let's turn it on one more time. This is what I like. Pretty nice. This looks pretty amazing, right? We had to give a little bit sweat to it, because it was not so easy job, but we managed to do it. If you want to know how to cut and connect these LED strips, you can check that out in this video right here. And if you want to know how to bend LED strips a perfect 90 degrees angle, check out this video right here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have found someone new in this video. If you did, please hit the like button so that this video can spread to more people. so you can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.